Hello friends. In most of the cases, successful execution of a command or script depend upon existence of a particular file or directory. So it is always a good idea to check whether file exists or not before our script or command run further. In this video, we will learn about how we can test the existence of a particular file or directory or a path. Test-path is a command that is used to check whether all elements of a path exist, whether the path syntax is valid, or to know whether the path leads to a container or a terminal or a leaf element. In this example, we are checking whether the file exists or not in a current folder. Path parameter is used to specify path that we need to test for its existence. Wildcards are accepted in path parameter. Also, literal path parameter is used to specify path, same as path parameter. But the only difference is no wildcard are accepted. In example as well, we can see the wildcards are specified in path parameter. But exact absolute path is specified with literal path parameter because it doesn't accept wildcards. Include, exclude, and filter parameters are used to limit the coverage of wildcarded path. Filter parameter is always preferred over include and exclude parameter wherever possible because in some cases filter parameter may work faster than include and exclude parameter. In this example, in first command, we are trying to test if location specified under path parameter contains any file apart from txt files. We have omitted text files from testing using exclude parameter. IsValid parameter is used to test the syntax of path. Please note that it doesn't care about whether path exists or not, but the only thing that is tested is syntax of command only. In this example, we are testing the syntax of command and result should be true because syntax of this command is correct. But if we will run second command without invalid parameter, then we should get a false because this path doesn't exist actually. Means file6.txt doesn't exist in current folder. Many times we may face cases when we need to know whether the file we are working with are older than or newer than a particular date. One example of such case is, suppose someone updates a file on daily basis and then you take input from that file to run a script. Requirement here is that if file has been updated in today's date, then only script should run, otherwise script should not run, and status should be logged in separate file with message that there is no update for today in case script has not been run today. In this case, you can put a check to know about file age. Like if file is older than today, then don't run the command or script. And if file is not older than today, run the script. Parameter newer than and older than are used to specify a time filter. In this example, in first command, we are trying to check if file1.txt is newer than a particular date, and I'm sure you will get a false because that is a future date and you must have created this file in today's date only. In second command, we are trying to check if file is older than a particular date. I'm sure again you will get a false because date that you are comparing with is a past date and you must have created this file in today's date only. So it is newer than that but not older. Path type parameter is used to know whether final element in a path is of particular type or not. And this particular type could be a container, leaf, or any. Container indicates directory or registry key depending upon the PS provider that we are working with. Leaf indicates file, any indicates any, means whether a final element, file, or folder. We will get a true for both. In this example, in first command, we are trying to check if final component is a directory. In second command, we are trying to check if final component is leaf or not. In third command, we are trying to check if there is any final component like leaf or container. Convert-path command is used to convert a PowerShell path into PowerShell provider path. Seeing example, you can easily understand the use of this command. Let's recap. Test-path tells whether all elements of a path exist or not. Path, literal path, is valid. Filter, include, exclude, newer than, older than are some parameters used with this command. Convert-path converts a path from a PowerShell path to a PowerShell provider path.